Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 700, and today's topic of lecture is the health benefits of pancreatin. Pancreatin is the mixture of different type of enzymes which are produced naturally by pancreas, and this pancreatin is actually digestive enzyme, and it contains the enzymes to break down starch into maltose, and that maltose disaccharide into glucose and finally energy, and that enzyme is called maltase. The second enzyme which is present in pancreatin is protease, and protease is responsible of breaking down the protein molecules into peptide, and finally peptide into amino acids, so that our stomach will be in position to absorb the simpler molecule. And the third one is lipase. Lipase is an enzyme which used to hydrolyze fat and lipid, and this fat and lipid, they are long chain triglycerides, and these triglycerides are complex and it is not possible for our intestine to absorb unless it is broken down. So lipase will break down this triglyceride into glycerol, and that is fatty acid finally, and then it will be absorbed. Actually, pancreatin is pre-digestive enzyme, and nowadays lot of supplements are available to use as a pre-digestive enzyme, and these supplements are available in the market either in the form of tablets or in the form of capsule or in the form of powder or in the form of gelatin, and they are selling it calling that it is a natural mixture of amylase, protease and lipase enzymes, the mixture of enzymes. But we have to be very careful because sometimes they are not natural, rather than they are poor quality and with adulteration. This pancreatin can be isolated from the pancreas of ox, bull, pig, and the 1 kilogram of pancreas, fresh pancreas of hog means pig, can give 100 gram of pancreatin. Nowadays, pancreatin is a food supplement, especially for those people who are sick. First condition where people are suffering from pancreas swelling, pancreatitis, or we can say pancreatic cancer, where this pancreatin is not produced in the pancreas. So in that condition, it is given to those people who are suffering from pancreas cancer, this pancreatin supplement. And also those people who are suffering from some intestine or stomach cancer or some ulceration or hyperacidity, where it is not possible to digest protein or fat, then in that condition again, as a supplement, this pancreatin is given, is the mixture of these three enzymes. So this is having lot of medicinal importance as well as health benefits. And this pancreatin, what we are giving, most of the people, they don't understand that this pancreatin will not work in acidic medium, and our stomach intestine is acidic. bile acid is there, hydrochloric acid is there. So once you are giving them pancreatin, is better that before giving them this supplement, you give them some alkaline substance like sodium bicarbonate, so that the intestine or stomach will be alkaline, and then you give this supplement, so it will be effective and it will work in that medium. And also this pancreatin can be extracted from the pancreas, and this lipase also can be extracted in alkaline medium from the pancreas. And nowadays this pancreatin is also isolated from plant sources also. So these are all very, very important benefits of pancreatin enzymes which are available in the market, and they are very effective for those people who are sick or who are old or whose digestive system is not working to break down the starch, the protein and fat. So here the same what I have told you, all the health benefits and medicinal importance of pancreatin, and the health benefits of pancreatin enzyme. Commonly it is called pancreatin. Number one, it is made up of pancreatic enzymes like trypsin, amylase and lipase. Trypsin is actually in protease, and the trypsin found in the pancreatin works to hydrolyze proteins to oligopeptide. Oligopeptide means, protein is polypeptide, and once polypeptide is broken down into 3, 4 tri or tetra peptide is called oligopeptide, and finally it is hydrolyzed into amino acid, saccharides and disaccharides, maltose. And lipase hydrolyzes triglycerides into fatty acid and glycerol. And number two, pancreatin enzymes are thus primarily helpful in digestion of foods. That's why this is the most important mixture of enzymes, that is pancreatin, which is known as the supplement, that is pre-digestion supplement, which is available in the market in the form of capsule or pills or gelatin. And this major group of enzymes are critical to efficient digestion. It's a very important, and especially I have already told you that in the condition where somebody is suffering from pancreatic cancer, or where pancreas is having inflammation, swelling, and pancreas is not in position to secrete the pancreatin, and in that condition the supplement of pancreatin is given to the patient. Once pancreas fails to produce pancreatin in case of pancreas cancer or inflammation of pancreas, then supplement is given. And number three, pancreatin is the mixture of enzymes existing naturally in the pancreases of warm-blooded animal. Actually, this pancreatin is present in warm-blooded animal. Warm-blooded animal means there are two types of animals. One is called warm-blooded animal. The second one is called that is cold-blooded animal. So warm-blooded animals, we human beings. And we human beings means we are having 4 chambers of our heart, 2 auricle and 2 ventricle. Such animals which are having 4 chambers of their heart are called warm-blooded animals like human beings. Those animals which are having only 2 chambers of heart, 1 auricle and 1 ventricle, like fishes, mostly in sea and river, those animals, they are known as cold-blooded animals, and they are not producing pancreatic enzyme. It is produced only by those animals which are having 4 chamber hearts, and they are called as warm-blooded animals like we human beings. Usually in fresh pancreas of ox, bos, and taurus. Ox, bos, taurus are Latin word. I mean, bos and taurus are Latin word, is having the meaning of like bull, ox, cow. All these, they are all belonging to same animal group. From that pancreas we can get. And pancreatin is present in the pancreases and endocrine gland located in the abdomen, that is the just below the stomach. Number 4, protease. The bulk of protein digestion is due to the pancreatic proteases. So your all protein is digested in your stomach is by the action of proteases, and that proteases will break down, will hydrolyze the protein into we can say, or oligopeptide. Peptide means that is 2 amino acids, they are bonded with one bond, CONH, and that is called polypeptide. So there are 2 bonds like CONH, that is called dipeptide. If there are 3, tripeptide. 4, tetrapeptide. And if there are millions, that is called polypeptide. And finally, that polypeptide is called protein. So these proteases, they are responsible of breaking down that complex polypeptide into oligopeptide or into dipeptide and finally into amino acids. Digestion due to the pancreatic proteases. Several proteases are synthesized in the pancreases and secreted into the stomach, intestine. 2 major, most important proteases enzymes are trypsin and chymotrypsin. These 2, they are responsible of breaking down peptide into amino acid, and they digest protein into single amino acid. Number 5, amylase. Amylase, the major dietary carbohydrate for many species is starch, and that starch is a storage of glucose molecules into plant in the form of starch, and when millions of glucose molecules they form together, that is polysaccharide, and that polysaccharide is called starch. And once this amylase is acting on that, it will break down that complex starch into maltose. Maltose is containing 2 molecules of glucose, and again that 2 molecules of glucose will be broken down into single molecule of glucose, and then it is converted into energy. That is the role of that is amylase. And the amylase commonly called is alpha amylase, and is the enzyme that hydrolyzes the starch into maltose, and that maltose finally will be broken down into glucose sugar, and that glucose sugar will be converted into energy. So number 6 is that is pancreatin lipase, and that lipase is responsible of hydrolyzing complex triglycerides into monoglyceride, and that is carboxylic acid. Number 6, pancreatic lipase. The major component of dietary fat is triglycerides, and that triglyceride is commonly known as a lipid of fat. And the lipid cannot be directly absorbed in the intestinal mucosa because it is a long chain complex molecule, and it must be digested into broken down into 2 molecules. One is known as monoglyceride, and second one is that is free fatty acids. The enzyme which perform this hydrolysis is called pancreatic lipase, and it is in the presence of sufficient bile salts. If sufficient bile salts are not there, the hydrolysis of lipid will not take place. That's why for the hydrolysis of lipid, liver as well as pancreas, these two organs must be functional. If any one of the organ is not functional, you will be in trouble. That's why once you are having liver problem, liver cirrhosis, it is a serious problem of digestion. Or if you have some swelling of pancreas, again there is serious problem of digestion. These two organs, liver and pancreas, they are playing very important role in digestion of lipid or fatty acid. And the absorption of dietary fat is mainly dependent on secretions from both pancreas and liver. Number 7, about 100 gram of pancreatin can be extracted out from 1 kilogram of hog pancreas. I mean, hog pancreas means that is pig. Hog means pig. Pancreas. Lipase is purified from the pancreatin through mild alkaline extraction. Only with the help of alkaline extraction you can get the pancreatin. Pancreatin occurs as a cream colored amorphous powder and has somewhat meat-like taste. It is particularly soluble in water, and that solubility is only up to 10%. Means it is very less soluble in water, and it is totally insoluble in organic solvent like ethyl alcohol. Number 8. Pancreatin is mainly used for the pre-digestion of protein, starch and fat, and it is sold in the market as a food supplement or nutritional supplement. Different type of name they are giving, and that is nothing but the mixture of these three enzymes: amylase, then protease and lipase, and it is destroyed in the stomach because of the presence of acid. So it is illogical to give. Actually, these are supplements. If you are giving to someone where stomach is acidic, and that acidic medium it is destroyed, it will not work. That's why nowadays some gelatin coating is there, or before administer, better to take some alkali, and that alkali most appropriate is that is sodium bicarbonate. Illogical to give stomach contains acid. In such cases, it is well to administer a small amount of alkali like sodium bicarbonate in order to neutralize acidity in the stomach. Only then it will be effective. Number 9. Now attempts are made to administer pancreatin in capsule or pills coated form to prevent the action of gastric juice. So now it is coated one is available, so that immediately the gastric juice cannot act because it's all acidic medium in the stomach. Now a number of pancreatin preparations calling themselves natural pancreatin contains protease, maltase and lipase. And lipase are sold for the purpose of digestion of the protein, fat, carbohydrates. So such type of supplements are available now in the market, in the form of capsule, in the form of pills, and they also claim that they are all naturally extracted from animal sources or sometimes from plant sources also. They are available as a dietary supplements for good nutrition, and your doses, as a medicinal chemist I am saying, should not exceed more than 0.5 gram, means it is, if in milligram it is 500 milligram. If it is in grain, it should be 7.5 grain, and that will be enough for all the enzyme activity. So my experience, what I'm sharing as a chemist, that this mixture of enzymes, I mean the mixture of amylase, protease and lipase, which are responsible of breaking down the starch, fat and protein. Even those people who are having some problem of indigestion or gastric problem or acid reflux, they can also take in a small quantity, maybe 200 milligram or 400 milligram, just to activate it, and so that digestion will be proper. Otherwise, this supplement is sold in the market especially for those people who are seriously sick and where the total digestive system is failing to digest protein, fat and carbohydrate. And especially, I have already told you that those who are suffering from pancreas failure due to the swelling of pancreas or pancreatic cancer or sometimes stomach cancer, where your intestine is failing, in that condition, these supplements of pancreatic is given to those patients. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.